It's crazy because yesterday we was just talking about, upcoming shock drops and restocks. And then we see the Air Jordan 13 playoff shock dropping literally the next day today. And right now I need to know who all hit on a pair. I know me, myself, I was able to enter, but I took a huge L. But you guys already know, we already got a pair, and our review on feet will be coming very, very shortly. But y'all gotta be watching the videos, because I literally said that the Air Jordan 13 playoffs should be the next sneaker to, shock drop on Nike sneakers app, because Nike wants to, boost the sneaker up. They want to, publicize a little bit more, give it a little more advertisement. And it happened. So I got to put a little clip in here, give myself a little bit of credit, because I literally spoke this into existence. It happened literally the next day, which is crazy. I did think potentially, since, we do have the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens coming out this week or next week. I think it's this week. And then we have the Air Jordan 13 playoffs dropping in the next couple of weeks. I thought they was going to shock drop those pairs. They did not at all. I heard they did talk about them, but they didn't, do anything as far as restock, shock drops. But I can definitely see something happening with the Air Jordan 13 playoffs, just given the significance in the sneaker community, given the history that Jordan put in them joints. So I'm pretty sure, like I said, we're going to see some type of, little shock drop or exclusive access for the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. That's going to be one of them pairs that sits. It's going to be mass produced. Not a lot of people respect 13s. Not a lot of people even buy 13s. So it might be something that they, try to hype up by giving exclusive access, putting in a little shock drop or something like that. Just get the name, the playoff back out there. Get people hyped up about it, get people anticipating the sneaker. And that's something I would do if I was Nike. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Like I said, in today's video, we're gonna be talking about this shock drop that happened for the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. If you guys not know, I do have a pair on hand, so let me give you guys a little bit of b-roll and stuff like that so you can check it out. It's definitely one of the top 3 Air Jordan 13s of all time. So like I said, we're gonna talk about that. But if you're new right now, we need you to do, even if you don't want to subscribe to the channel, leave a huge like on today's video. That puts us in the algorithm. That shows YouTube, we put out some good content. We're talking about what's going on with the community. We're talking about these shock drops, these restocks, and all that good stuff. So all you guys help by spamming the likes. Like I said, subscribe to the channel if you're new. So yeah, guys, like I said, we said about 10 times already, Air Jordan 13 playoffs officially just shock dropped today on the Nike sneakers app, which comes at no surprise. We always talk about, Nike doing these shock drops or these exclusive accesses for sneakers that people really been looking forward to for the past year. We got word that it was coming out in February last year. Now they coming out now. I think it's February the 15th or February the 18th, one of the two. But definitely one of the most sought after sneakers for me. A lot of OG sneakerheads out there that want to get these OG colorways like the playoff Air Jordan 13s. The only thing that's crazy, which I did not know, you guys know I usually get my sneakers a lot earlier than the release date, and it doesn't say the retail tag on the box anymore. If you guys, been purchasing sneakers, it doesn't say it had a little retail sticker on the side like it used to, and I did not know they're going to retail for $210. $210. I said, yo, it's no way. I went onto the Nike sneakers app. I went and I checked it out, and I said, yo, this joint say $210. Took a little couple of screenshots to put up here, but I literally entered right at the time. It was 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I took a huge, I don't know what happened. It was slim pairs that did, pop up on this shock drop, because they don't want to, flood it like an Air Jordan 11 release where, you see a lot of people hitting on the shock drops and exclusive access for those holiday Air Jordan 11s. So I feel like it's going to play another huge factor on the release day as far as people going and picking up pairs, because 210 is pretty steep, especially for a pair of Air Jordan 13s that should get that, that respect, but it's just not what's going, like, people not really feeling 13s, if that's making sense. So if it was like a playoff 3 or 4 or 1, it will definitely do some numbers. But it being an Air Jordan 13, not a lot of people rocking with it nowadays. A lot of OGs are, so you're gonna see a lot of OGs picking up pairs, doubling up and stuff like that, because they grew up wanting a pair, they grew up having a pair a couple of times, because I think these released like 4 or 5 times now, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys know, man, drop it down below in the comment section. Like I said, it was surprising that they did do this shock drop, because they literally just did one on the Sneakers Live yesterday for the Travis Scott Air Max and for the Orange Lobster Dunks, and then the next day, literally today, they dropped the playoff 13. I'm all here for it. I like when Nike do, these little shock drops, because if access, we don't have to hit on everything. I want everybody to know that. Like, I'm not coming up here ranting or anything like that, because I did have an opportunity to get them. There was no error messages. They didn't kick me out of the site or anything like that. I went on there, gave my little fair chance or my little fair shot at actually entering for the shoe. I just got an L and I got to live with it, but I already have a pair, so I'm not that concerned. So right now, like I said, down below in the comment section, man, let me know if you were able to hit on these playoff Air Jordan 13s. I know it's going to be a lot of people's top 5, top 10 pickers of the year because we went on the playoffs for like the last, I think, 3 or 4 years now. They finally come back. The leather quality is good. The quality is immaculate. And I was excited to unbox them. So like I said, I'm going to link that video down below along with some B-roll shots of me, you know what I'm saying, showing you guys the sneaker, a couple hits of it and stuff like that throughout this video and towards the end. I need to know everybody's temperature, how y'all feeling about these 13s. Even if you didn't hit on a shock drop, are you going to be going after these on the, you know, initial release date? Because I know, like I said, 210 is pretty steep, especially for a pair of 13s. Me myself, when I seen, I said, ain't no way they $210, maybe 200, but 210, like, come on, y'all ain't giving no extra laces, y'all ain't giving no special box, just a pair of 13s. And it is kind of steep. I know a lot of people been talking about it recently, the influx or the increase of the retail pricing. It's getting out of hand, so hopefully sometime soon Jordan Brand knock those prices down, because bro, they waxing, bro. They definitely waxing us. And before I wrap up today's video, you guys know I'm selling a lot of pairs out of my collection. So if you guys like anything that I do have on my Instagram, the vintage_closet, make sure you guys go tap in. I got a couple pairs up on there. And I sold a couple already. If you were first to see that, you got a couple of steals and deals. Sold some Jubilee 11s for like $250, I believe. That was a retail price, if I'm not mistaken. I got a couple other pairs on there if you guys want to tap in. Give me some steals and deals, letting some pairs go that I don't even wear. Didn't even remember that I had them. So if you guys want to go tap in, the vintage_closet, I'm gonna link it down below. You guys head straight over to IG, go shop with your boy The Vintage, along with the clothing brand. If you guys don't know, man, got a clothing brand, shop NOIR, worldwide, whatever you want to call it. We got some crazy exotic bomber jackets and hoodies and some beanies on the site right now. So if you guys want to go tap in, support the clothing brand, that'd be greatly appreciated. So yeah, man, that wraps up today's video. Quick little shock drop recap over the Air Jordan 13 playoffs, which we do have. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys some B-roll shots and stuff like that. The review and on feet will be coming either tomorrow or Saturday, so stay tuned for all that. By subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we got scheduled for you guys within these next couple of weeks. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in, tapping in to once again another video. It's greatly appreciated, man. It's always dope to see you guys comments, see you guys interact with the videos. It means so much to me. I don't want you guys to think I don't notice that. I really do appreciate it. So all that being said, leave a huge like, subscribe if you're new, go tap into all my social media links along with the unboxing for the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. That'll be greatly appreciated. All that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.